Hello, I'm Kiss, and welcome back to CSD Mornings. Today on the show, we'll be teaching you guys the delicate art of flower arranging so that you can make your own stunning bouquets. Alright, when you're arranging your flowers, you'll want to take two things into note: the shape and the color. On this color wheel, you'll notice that the blue and the yellow are across from each other, and that these reds and the greens are across from each other. When you're making your bouquet, you're going to want to keep that in mind. So you'll place the blue and purple flowers near the yellow flowers and red flowers near something green to give it a more nice look to the eye. Another thing to note when you're making your flowers is the shape of your bouquet. Here are the 5 levels of your bouquet and the 3 angles. For 0 is where we'll have our stems. 1 is where we'll have some leaves, and then 2 we'll have bigger flowers. Then these will be medium-sized flowers, and up here we'll have tall, pointy ones. Now you'll see the angles here. This angle 1 corresponds to this section. You want these flowers to come out about that far. For this section 3, you want them to come to about there. And for this section 4, you want them to go about that high. Now that you know that, we can get on to making your bouquet. Right, so I've organized by colors. So we've got purple and some pink, then yellow, yellow and red, and white. Now, let's start putting them in. The sunflower is quite short, so I think I'll put it in there. And put them in. That may have been a bit short. We'll put that around here. Now I'm going to take this yellow, put it right in there. Then these go right up here and around back. This one here, this pink one, has a good point. We better pull off the leaves so they don't make the water all nasty, gangrene. Perfect. And then we'll take our purple, which you'll remember goes nicely with yellow, and there we go. Now we'll take one last look at our bouquet. And there we go. Now we'll wrap it in wire to hold it in place. And we can adjust some of the flowers that we think are a bit in the wrong spots. Then just wrap it in wire, fill it with water, and your bouquet is done. Alright, well that's all for today's episode. Thanks for joining me on CSD Mornings. See you next time.